Hey, welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is a video showing you how to use the calendar app in your Windows 8 machine. One word of caution: if you've been using Gmail calendars, it's no longer available, unfortunately, in the Windows 8 calendar app since the upgrades. So if you didn't do upgrades yet, your calendar will still work on Gmail. But if you upgrade through the Microsoft Store, the Mail app will, the Mail, the People, the Calendar, and messaging apps are going to be updated. And your calendar loses its synchronicity with Gmail, unfortunately. So you click on your calendar app, which is always the tile with the date on it. And there you will need, first of all, an account, a Microsoft account of some sort, Hotmail, Outlook, whatever. All you have to do are an Exchange. You go on the right side, you swipe from right to left if you have a touchscreen, or you just go in the corners with your mouse and click Settings. Go into the Accounts and add an account. There you'll be greeted with that screen having an Outlook, Exchange, Office 365 or Hotmail account of some sort. So depending on your account, you will choose which one you want. You can have multiple accounts and just add all the details. Once that's done, one little tweak you might want is go back into the Charms bar and click the options in the settings and change the little colors. So you have colors of, each account has its own color, and each type of notification in the calendar has its own color. So you can change that and say, well, I want something, what do I want in my calendar, what color it will show up, purple or blue or whatever. So, and if you change the color, you'll see that everything that's associated with that will actually change. For example, everything blue became red in my calendar that's associated with that. So that's another option where you'll have different colors telling you different stuff, information, depending on what type of information the calendar shows up. If you've synchronized your Hotmail, Outlook, Office 365, put the Facebook account in your People app, you'll notice that everything synchronizes together, and you finally have, for example, everybody's birthday will show up in that calendar. It's a nice added feature, but can really clutter your calendar a lot. So depending on how many friends you have and all, it's a good, or could be a good or a bad idea. So if you want to add something to that calendar, first of all, the way to navigate through the calendar is at the top. If you move your finger on your screen or move your mouse, you'll see that at the top there are two arrows showing up on the right side and on the left side here, and you can navigate through the calendar with these little arrows going forward, or if you want to see something of a past event, you just go through there. If you want to change the view, basically the view is always by month. You can simply right click, or if you have a touchscreen, just swipe from bottom to up, and you'll have at the bottom the views that are available by day. They are available by working week, which is Monday to Friday, by week, which is Sunday to Saturday, and also by month. And the navigation through the weeks and the months are all the same with the little arrows on the top, right and left of your screen. You want to add something, you just click on the tile. I'll go into the 24. And here I'll choose, okay, this is an event at 3 p.m. How long will it last? Let's say 2 hours. Where? At hospital, for example. You can invite people if it's something social. You have more information if you do show more, which is how many, is it once? Is it every day, every week, every month, or once a year? you can add that information and it will actually add itself automatically in your calendars. You can have reminders of, no reminder at start time, or, up to a week in advance. I'll put none. Second of all, if you have only one account, it's cool. There's not going to be any problems with that. If you have more than one account in your calendar, then you'll have to go on the top and choose which account you are using for your calendar. That's important for the good calendar and the good colors. On the upper right, you will add a title. So hospital, then add a message. Okay, appointment with doctor, for example. And then you'll have that little save icon that you can tap or click on that will add the feature, and here it is, hospital. Now, hospital calls you up, or whatever, you have friends, and they say, well, we can't do it. It's not going to be possible. How do you remove something from it? All you have to do is click or tap on the event itself to show it up. And then you'll have that little trash can that's a delete the event, and you just click on it or tap on it. And you said, do you want to delete hospital? Yep, I will delete that. And it's removed from your calendar. Same thing, there's something changing. Maybe, for example, my friends wanted to have a beer on Wednesday the 17th, but now it's on Thursday. I'll simply tap or click on it, and I'll modify. So it's not Wednesday, it's now Thursday. And just tap the save to save it. And there it is on the 18th. So it's a nice app. It's a little basic. I must admit that they could have done a better job. But yet it's a functional calendar for appointments, which is always nice to have. And it's a great way to keep in touch with all the appointments you have in your life. If you have multiple Windows 8 machines, what's cool about this calendar app is the fact that it synchronizes with all your machines. If you have a Windows Phone, it's going to synchronize with your Windows Phone, for example. So all that makes it an interesting app if you're in the Windows world. So hope you enjoyed these videos. Maybe you have that new machine and want to learn more about Windows 8, let us know. And click the subscribe button. And of course, check all the videos we have online, lots and lots of stuff about Windows 8, of course, and learning more and more on how to use your new computer. Maybe that you have, maybe you're a little lost with all that new stuff in Windows 8. So this is a great channel to learn more on how to use. If you have a request of something you'd like to see, or a feature you'd like to see reviewed or explained, let us know. We'll try to put a video online, and hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.